Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 32. How to use Google Sites to promote affiliate offers. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Google Sites to promote affiliate offers, step by step. So let's get started. Now go to Google and search for Sites Google. So this is Google's official site for sites. Here click on this Template Gallery button to view all templates. Select the template you like. Go back and click on this bottom Back to Classic Sites button. Here click on this Create button and select a New Sites option. Here, enter your page title. You can upload a new image from here. Then you can customize the header type. Then select and insert the layouts from the right panel. Then go to Pages and from here add a new page. First, enter the page name and for this, go to muncheye.com, enter your product link and copy the name of the product. Paste it in the new page name with review and click on Done. Then click on these three dots and you will get more options to customize. Then go to the Insert tab and from here select this text box. Here enter your text and you can also customize its size and font from here. Then again go to the JV page for product info. Remember the format of the review article. First is introduction, then what is product name, who is the creator which is optional, then product name review. The features, in this you will add features, then product name review. The benefits, and in it, you include the benefits, then product name review. The upsells and in it, you will add upsell details. Next is the conclusion and bonuses which is also optional. And you will get all the details from the JV page. We also have demo video here along with the full funnel details. Back on Google, insert your review article here and click on this top Publish button. Then enter your web address which should be unique and click on this Publish button. Once published, click on this View button to view your site. So this is how your site will look like. This is your URL and this is your site. Here you need to insert your review article, for which you can get the content from the JV page. So this is how you can use Google Sites to promote affiliate offers. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 33. How to use Quora to drive traffic. Introduction. In that video, we will take a look at how to use Quora to drive traffic, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.